Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will discuss about HTML formatting elements. So we'll discuss about HTML formatting elements. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So first of all, you have to create the file called formatting elements.html. Right here, you have to write HTML5. You have to write HTML5. So inside title, you have to write HTML formatting elements, HTML formatting elements. So here, the first one is bold text. First one is bold text. So just you have to write P and press enter. So this is the bold text. So I'll write I am Iron Man, right? So I have written some content inside the B tag, which is nothing but a bold text, like bold tag. So when I press F5 and click on web Chrome, and you can see, right, the content here, you can see it is in bold. It is in bold. So this is what bold tag is, and which specifies the bold text in the output. And the next one is strong tag. The next one is strong. So type strong strong and click on enter. And right here, I am an Avenger, and save it and click on F5, or you can go to the Google Chrome and refresh it, right? It is also a bolden, like it is also a bolden type, right? It is in bolden type. So I want I want to print this in next line. So what you have to write? You have to write a BR tag, which is break tag, which will break the line, and the next line I am an Avenger will be on the next line by using break tag, right? So in this way, we can use the BR tag. And the next one is, I'll use BR tag again here. Let's type BR and click on enter. And here, the next one is italic text, right? It is an italic text. So here I'll write I and press enter, and I'm stylish. I'm stylish. So save it and refresh it. See, it is in italic. It is in italic, right? So I'll type BR again. And the next one is emphasized text. Next one is emphasized text, right? So here I'll write EM and press enter, and I'll use I'm a good boy and save it and refresh it. See, we got the same thing. So the both italic and emphasized text. Yes, both same. And the bold and the strong is also both same. Both same. It will bold it and it will stylish it. Style the elements. So I hope you understand. And the next one is mark tag. Next one is mark tag. Right? Type mark and enter. Like you can type mark here, and here you'll get the tag, and inside it you have to write, for example, mark. See, the content will be highlighted. The content will be highlighted. So whatever the text you have written, for example, if I take p tag here, right, and I will write inside this p tag the mark, and I will write I will mark and save it. And see, we got some highlighting. We got some highlighting. I hope you understand, right? So in this way, we can use the mark tag. To highlight something, you have to use mark tag. So I hope you understand, right? And we are having the small tag. We are having the small tag, right? We got the small tag. So type small, or you can use the tab here. See, I will small, right? I am small. I am small. See, it will appear something small, right? It will appear, it will something small. See, small is appearing lower font size, right? It is appearing in lower font size. So I hope you understand the small text, and the next one is we are having deleted tag, deleted tag, and here you have to comment it and write del and press enter, right? So I will write deleted inside it and save it and refresh it here. See, we'll be having some cross line on the text. We'll be having some horizontal line on the text by using deleted tag. By using deleted tag. And the next one is inserted tag. So here you have to write inserted tab, inserted, and save it and refresh it. See, we got the underline. We got the underline, right? So here you can use u tag also. For example, if I write underline, right, and save it and refresh it, see, we can get the underline also. So inserted and underline is both same, right? Inserted and underline, we are having the both same, right? We got the underline symbol, right? We got the underline symbol. And the next one is, like, I'll write BR tag to break the line. And we are having sub. We are having sub. We are having sub. And after that, I will write sub and type enter. And I'll write subscript text and save it. See? Or you can write like this. And inside it, I'll write the subscript. I am using just delete it, and I'm using subscript text to present in the to finish my project. See, we got down, right? We got down. This text we have got in down. So where you will use this in the, like if you want to write the formula, right? So H. So you have to write sub here. H sub and 2 and after O, right? So when you write a formula like this H2, so then you have to use this subscript. Then you have to use this subscript. So I hope you understand. And the final one is super text, like a superscript text. So which is nothing but superscript text tag. So likewise subscript tag. I hope you understand. So the first one is subscript text tag and the next one is superscript text tag. And here I will write the same thing. I'll close the p tag here. Yeah, I'll close the p tag and I'll write finish my project. See, super text means it will come on. If it will come on, it will come on upper. So where it will be used? So I'll write this. I'll copy this and I'll paste it. And if I write X here, and over here I'll write N, right? See now. Okay, we have to use here, not sub. Instead, you have to use super. Instead, you have to use super. See now, we will got the exponent, right? We got the exponent. So to represent this like this formulas, you have to use this superscript and subscript text. So these all are formatting elements in HTML. These all are formatting elements in HTML. So what we have discussed, the first one is bold text and strong tag. So both are same, and we are having and we are having italic text and the emphasized text, and both are same. And we are having mark tag, right? It will be highlighted. The marker will be highlighted, and we are having small tag. The content will be in this small, and we are having deleted tag. We will be having cross symbol on it, and we are having inserted. You will be having underline, and you will be having the subscript text. So it will be on the downside, and the superscript, it will be on the upper side. So that's it. So I hope you understand all these formatted elements in HTML. And if you have any doubts, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please to subscribe to my channel and please like the video. And please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefit from this video. And please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.